Hi kids, welcome to Baby Tiger World's brand new YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you all about the animals we went to a zoo. As you can see, this bird is called a Cheetah and it's eating her favorite nuts. It also comes from the large parrot family. Here comes the parrots. Look how pretty they are. Did you observe all those colors? Red, blue, green. Wow, they're so pretty. Look how they're playing together. Do you know that parrots like to hang out with humans? Even they can imitate our speech. See, they are fighting to eat the apple. They like eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and other plant materials. Here comes pelicans. Whoa, look at that big beak. What, is it feeling itchy and scratching with the beak? Because there's no hand? It's so funny, right? And do you know something interesting about pelicans? It has a long, big throat. When it hunts fish, it will keep it in the throat, like the picture you can see. Even it can carry the baby from one place to another. Wait, what? Is it cutting his hair instead of going to the parlor? How funny is it, right, kids? And do you know it can be in water and go from one place to another? The pelicans are also called water migratory birds. Pelicans usually eat fish. Sometimes it will eat turtles, amphibians, insects, and small mammals. Amphibians are like reptiles. Here come the flamingos. Wow, look how beautiful are the flamingos. The flamingos, they're pink color. They're one of my favorite birds. They have dark pink beaks and the edge is the color black. You know the difference in the adult flamingo and baby flamingo? Adult flamingos, they are pink, and the baby flamingos, they are gray. Do you know, kids, that the flamingos are also called waiting birds? Do you know why? Any guesses? Yes, it can stand on one leg for 4 hours. Isn't that amazing, kids? Here comes the ostrich. Ostrich, they are flightless birds, meaning they won't fly. The ostrich lays very big eggs. It's that big as the human hand. Do you know, kids, ostrich has the ability to run 70 kilometers per hour. It's the fastest flightless bird in the land. It's very amazing, kids. Here comes helmeted guinea fowl. Helmeted guinea fowls are also called champion high jumpers. Here comes the giraffe. Giraffes, they have a very long neck. They use it to eat leaves, fruits, and other flowers from woody plants. I think the giraffe is enjoying the nature. Here the giraffes are eating together like a family. Here comes the dancing bird. Whenever the dancing bird sees a partner, it always goes dancing there and stays with it for the whole lifetime. Kids, does it remind you of any shape how the dancing birds are standing? It reminds me of a triangle. Good job, dear friends. Say hello to my best friend, Ailey the elephant. See, the trunk is helping the elephant to eat the lettuce. And it helps to hold the food, then it keeps it into the mouth. It has very big ears that it can help the insects to not come into the inner ear. I think the elephant is feeling very hungry, so he is eating all the lettuce. The baby elephant is playing with that blue bowl until her mother comes. Do you know, kids, that the elephant eats 300 pounds food every day? Here comes mommy elephant. Looks like he's feeling very exciting. Hi! Mommy! Mommy! Hello, mommy!
Hello, daughter. Did you eat your food?
Yes, mommy!
Okay, now I'm gonna finish my food.
Hey, kids, do you know that an elephant's trunk can hold 2.5 gallons of water? Elephants don't use their trunks to drink like a straw. It uses the trunk to hold the and then it pours it into the mouth. Here comes Cheetah. Looks like the cheetah is very, very hungry. It's looking for his food. It is chicken. It's also my favorite type of food to eat. Do you know, friends, cheetah is the fastest land animal. It has the capability to run at 80 to 98 kilometers per hour. Gosh, isn't shocking, friends? Do you know, kids, cheetahs have around 2,000 spots on her body. Cheetahs can give birth to 2 to 8 cubs at a time. Do you know, kids, cheetahs only hunt during the day and it doesn't even roar. And cheetahs can survive up to 10 days without water. Wow, I hope you had fun while learning about the cheetah. Look, the cheetah jumped onto the chair to sit for some time. Here comes my ferocious friend, Tiger. Tigers are the largest amongst other wild cats. Do you know something crazy? Tiger's urine smells like buttered popcorn. Is it silly? One more interesting fact. Tigers like playing in the water. One more interesting fact. Tigers love playing in the water. Since I like tigers, my channel name is... Any guesses? Yes, it's Baby Tiger World. Here comes Tortoise. Tortoises are very slow animals. They like swimming in the water and hanging out with their tortoise friends. Tortoises, they are the very slowest reptiles in the land. Tortoises like eating leaves, grasses, fungi, and vegetables. It also likes eating carrots and lettuce so much. Here comes the sea lion. Sea lions are very impressive because they did what the master said and it came right in front of me and said hi to everybody. I enjoyed the show. You guys also enjoy watching it. If you like my video, please like, Love you all.
Mesdames, messieurs les enfants, c'était Jules et Magonia. Et c'est sur ces chaleureux applaudissements que notre animation va toucher à sa fin. J'espère que vous avez passé un agréable moment en notre compagnie et que vous avez pu en apprendre un petit peu plus sur les otaries. Si jamais vous avez encore des questions, on se retrouve au niveau des vitres sur la gauche des graveurs pour y répondre avec grand plaisir. Et sinon, remercier toute l'équipe de la baie des Lions de Mer ainsi que nos 6 otaries qui se joignent à moi pour vous souhaiter une très bonne fin de journée aux Otaries des Villes. À bientôt!